Hi everyone. I have a security case today, a portable security case with combination lock. This is from StackOn. The model is PC95C18. It has slim design. It can carry very little things, but your valuables, like if you're traveling, you can basically put your valuables in here. Well, it's if somebody wants to break in and take something, I believe it's possible because this is not the very uh, sturdy lock that I've seen. It's easy to pry it open or mess it up and just crack it open. That's not hard, but it will definitely stop somebody who just want to snatch and go something from your car or from your luggage while traveling. It is TSA approved, so you can actually put it in your carry-on luggage with your valuables and you can lock it, give the code to the TSA officials, and you can keep going. So that is one plus for it. The downside, it is made in China at this point. I don't know if that matters to most people. Well, it does matter to me. I did not purchase this, and in here you rarely have a choice right now. Like mostly everything is made in China. So for the time being, till you can transition out of it, you just have to live with it. That's what I figured. It says it's 3.75 pounds, 6.5 width, and 9.5 uh, is what the length is. It's 1.75 inch in thickness. Let's open and see how this works. Here we go. That's how it looks. And to open it, you set your code. I already set my code, so I'm not gonna show the code. It was default set to 00. But that's well, you change it anytime. That's how it looks. It has two holes in, like if you have to put it onto your car or something, you can definitely do that. So that is the reason why it has these holes. You can like screw it in, and it is pretty good. So things that you can carry on this are what I carry in this. Ta-da! There you go. It can contain a Taurus G2. See, two magazines. If one magazine is in here, it can take a add-on flashlight that goes into the gun and 50 ammos without any trouble. Well, if you are traveling in, the reason why I have this in here is to show what it can take. For something like this, I would say it's pretty good. It's fairly decent amount of items that can go in here. You can in fact have instead of you don't have to always have a gun or stuff like that. You can have your passport. You can have anything that is valuable to you. So as I mentioned, the two holes to screw things in. So you can actually screw this into your car. Sorry, and then this is your lock. I had challenge when I was resetting my code from my current code from 0 to my current code, but luckily I did not lock it while setting it. I tried locking it here, and then even with my code that I set up at that time, it was pretty challenging. That code did not work, so I had to take this open the whole lock up, reset it again. It was a very long process. It's not a long process, but I did not find any instructions online on how to do it, so I had to sit there and play with it, fiddle with the whole thing. Finally decided to pry everything open, so I opened everything and I got to the lock section. I reset it to 0 and then did it all over again, and it works fine. But it is pretty easy to break in if somebody wants to, but it will prevent somebody who just want to snatch and go. That's the whole purpose of it. Uh, that's more about this. It is thin. as I said, it also comes with a cable lock. So if you want to put the cable in here, I don't have it right now. You can put the cable in and lock it to your car somewhere. I prefer to have it screwed into the body somewhere hidden instead of having the cable lock. The cable wasn't very strong, so it's very easy for somebody to cut the cable and take the whole thing and take their own time to have it opened, which is not trouble at all. So that is a short, brief review about the case. If you like this, please hit that like button, click on the bell icon, and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to, I would definitely put a review of the gun. I haven't done anything with it right now, so if you would like to see one, please let me know. I'll create a video of that depending on the time and availability that I have. Also, like if you are carrying the gun in this, it will not be a wise idea to have all the ammo together. Like the ammo has to be carried separately. These also should be empty if you're carrying it together as per the law of the state where I am in. So make sure that you look into the state laws of where you are when you are carrying guns and ammo in one case. My state law prevents it from doing so. Please bear that in mind. Do not make that mistake of carrying guns and ammo, but if you're storing it at home, it's a different story. If you're carrying it to your gun range practice, make sure you look at the local laws and abide by the law. Right, thank you everyone.